Hello friends, welcome to TrendTech Guide. Today I'll show you how to change wallpaper on Windows 10. If you are new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe. So let's start. First of all, you can see I am here in my Windows. Now to change this background, first of all go to Start and over here go to this Settings. And now you'll find this multiple options. Over here is personalization. Click on this and over here you can see here is background. Select this if not selected. Mine is already selected. Now you can see this is my current background. Now to change this, click on this browse and select one which you want. Now I'll go with this one. You can see over here this background is changed. If I go back, you can see this is my background. So in this way we can change background in Windows 10. So if you find this helpful, don't forget to subscribe. Have a good time.